So as a startup biz, you want to start your own multi-vendor e-commerce website like Amazon or eBay. But what you have is a little WordPress website, and you're so clueless where to begin. You have a limited budget, yet you need that exact popular, easy-to-manage solution for your e-commerce store. This could prove really impossible to figure out, and a lot of people before you, well, they've had to give up. But luckily for you, there's an easy way out. Introducing the Dokan plugin from weDevs. With Dokan, creating a multi-vendor marketplace takes only a couple of minutes, and it will include individual front-end dashboard and store page for every vendor, easy options to manage your vendors, secure and multiple payment gateway, compatibility with thousands of WooCommerce supported themes, all advanced features of marketplace to attract more visitors. And this plugin comes with a free theme to get you started right away. Your vendors will absolutely love all the amazing features of it. Plus, you can set flexible commission rates and automatic revenue splits for your vendors. Best of all, you also get a chance to connect with experts on weDevs who will answer any queries related to starting your own multi-vendor business. So why wait? Visit us today at www.wedevs.com and become a successful owner of your own e-commerce marketplace in no time.